This is tutorial number 103, and it covers the Boolean intersect feature within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 99, which is located on the DVD. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the Boolean intersect feature. So to find it, click Insert, Boolean Operations, click Intersect. So what we're going to do is we're going to use these two bodies to create a intersect. So what that's going to do is wherever these two bodies are touching each other is going to be kept. So let's go through it. Let's click Insert, Boolean Operation, Intersect, and we'll click Body 2 and Part Body. Click OK, and we get our intersect of the two bodies. So this part is the part that results from the intersection of these two. So everywhere where these two parts would touch each other, this is what you get as your end result. So by using this intersect feature, you're able to intersect two parts and create a unique part that you would normally not be able to do. And this concludes our tutorial on how to create a Boolean intersect within Catia V5.